Ó tún kí wa káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yín ètò wa ìtàn àti òwe Yorùbá. Òní rèé o, a kì í pé ìyá Àlàbá ò mọ ọmọ pọ̀n torí òun ló ṣàpọ̀n bèjì tí wọ́n sì yè. You don't say the mother of Alaba does not know how to take care of children. At least he has taken care of Taiwo and the twins, Taiwo and Kehinde. In response to what Kabiyesi said, that some chieftaincy titles are not in Ile-Ife. Yes, we are correct. But I want to tell you, most of these chieftaincy titles are names of those who did well in those days. And I'm going to use Oyo as an example. Oyo is a very good example. You will understand that better. And most of us will understand it better. When we talk of Bashorun, Bashorun was not initially a title. Bashorun or Oshorun is the same thing in Oyo. It's the leader of a section, the Bogu. It's the leader of the Bogu sect, the military sect, the Bogu sect, Bachono. But you know, Yoruba, we have our own ways of pronouncing things and making it easier. Bashorun, Bachono. If you get to Oyo, they are not going to say Bashorun, they say Oshorun. And I give you another example. The title we call Baba Ayaji today is not Baba Ayadi. It was Baba Ayagi. Ba Ayagi. They were the relatives of Sango who followed Sango from Nupe to Oyo. Today we call it Baba Ayaji. It was Ba Ayagi. It's like an Ekiti man who has stayed long in Lagos. Whenever he's in Ekiti, they call him Baba Eko. Or even if they want to refer to him at any time, they say Baba Eko. Most of the titles you see today, even in Ile-Ife, Orunto was the name of somebody, was somebody's name. And up till today, his children occupy the position of the Prime Minister of Ife. They are Orunto. We call them Orunto. We call them Obalufe. We call them Ooni Ode. It's still the same person. But the indigenous name, the real name is Orunto. It is Ife and call it Obalufe, Oba Ile-Ife. That is the Prime Minister of Ife. It's not greater than Ooni. No, it's not in rank to Ooni. Not greater than Ooni. Isanire, Aguro, Lowa, they are all names of individuals who had assisted in the administrative system of the city. But today we turn them to titles. So if you say, sir, this or that you are having, they are later chieftaincy titles that are associated with some prominent individuals who are done well, and people are now copying. We have towns where we have direct descendants of a one-time Ooni, an Ooni in Ile-Ife, and they are using all these titles. I can mention Ido-Osun, where they have Esa. Ido-Osun belongs to Obalufon Alayemore, and they have Esa there. They copy it from somewhere, not from Ife. Ohun tí à ń wí ni wípé bàbá wa sọ wípé wọn kì í jẹ Esa àti àwọn oyè bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń jẹ ní Ìwó. Wọn ò lè lo Ìwó gẹ́gẹ́ bí òdùnwọ̀n, bí standard. Ìwó kì í ṣe standard. Mo ti sọ ọjọ́ Ìwó ò tí ì pẹ́ rárá. Wọn lè lo Ìwó bí standard. Àwọn orúkọ àwọn èèyàn tó di ipò mú nígbà náà tí wọ́n sì ṣe dáadáa nípa ètò ìṣàkóso ìlú, a sọ wọ́n di oyè. Mo ti lo àpẹẹrẹ bí Ọ̀ṣọ̀run, Ọbáṣọ̀run. Ṣùgbọ́n bàbá pé Báchọ̀nù kì í ṣe Báṣọ̀run, kì í sì ṣe oyè Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n ó ti di oyè Yorùbá. nítorí àwọn tó jẹ́ tí wọ́n sì jẹ́ ọmọ tí wọ́n ti di ara wa. Bá àyàgì, àyàgì ni àwọn tápà máa ń pe Yorùbá. Bá àyàgì ó ńlá pè ní bàbá àyàjì. Jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó bá jẹ́ Aláàfin ó pẹ̀lú àwọn tẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe bàbá kẹ́ẹ̀pẹ́ fún lónìí lọ́yọ̀ Aláàfin. Mo sì lo àpẹẹrẹ nílé-Ifẹ̀ níbi tí a ti rí orúkọ bí Ọ̀rúntọ́, orúkọ èèyàn ni ṣùgbọ́n ti dóyè, èèyàn ti ń jẹ Ọ̀rúntọ́. Òun náà sì ni prime minister Ifẹ̀. Òun lọ ní òde lọ́wá, orúkọ èèyàn ni. Ìsánìre orúkọ èèyàn ni. Àgbùrò orúkọ èèyàn ni. Ó sì ti di orúkọ oyè tá à ń jẹ. Torí náà ẹ má lo Ìwó gẹ́gẹ́ bí standard. Olúwa ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ a sì ń retí. Ó wù wá kí ètò yìí kó gbìnà yá, ká má máa lo abẹ́ igi, abẹ́ kòkó, abẹ́ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ rí báyìí yóò ti fẹ́ lé wa wọlé. A sì tí ì parí ètò. Ọlọ́run ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Yóò dára fún wa o. Ire o.